Now that we've talked about verbs, we kind of have to talk about the tense that they come in. And so that's what they mean by verb tense. That was the whole name of this lesson. So verbs can be something that happens in the past, something that happens in the present, or something that happens in the future. So your verb has to be in the right time place. So if it's something that already happened, we call that in the past. We might use words like yesterday or back then. Those things that you know that you already have happened, it's in the past. The present is something that's happening now, today, right now. And that verb has one way to say things too. And then future also, if things will happen, or if it's in tomorrow or in a bit, those words or those verbs also have a different way to say what they're trying to say. It usually comes with like a will in front of it. So we're going to talk about verb tense really quickly. It is really quick because you guys have been already doing all of this stuff, even just in your normal talk and conversation you have. We're just putting a name to it so that you know what a verb tense is. All right, so quick look here. We have the verb learn at the top. In the present, right now, it's to learn. That would be if I'm happening right now. You are in the moment at this second. That's what you're doing. Learning. Okay. In the past, if you already did it, it would have been learned. In the future, if you're going to do it, you will learn. Okay. So things like you will learn in the 4th grade. Okay. So if I go with this paragraph here, it says, yesterday we learned about Antarctica. Explorers first landed there in 1821. They discovered few animals or plants. And then we see here with the past that there is an ed at the end of it if it already happened. And that's usually the number one way to know that it is past tense, usually. Like I watched or I played, right? So that would be the ed there. And then like here where it says discovered, we already know that that's already in the past too. That's when it happened. Okay. Now the next one, it says today, which just means right now, the present. Many people visit Antarctica. Scientists work there all year long. They learn about the land and weather. So that would be the present tense. It's happening right now. Okay. So that's why we could say that you could say, well, it's today, of course. So that's why this would be the present tense here. Oh, my pen isn't going to do its thing for me, is it? Okay. I'm going to erase that really quickly because I don't like how that looks. Okay. I will try it again. So this would be present. Okay. And actually, if I really want to say it, visit is present right here. And so it is work. It's happening right now. Okay. And I'm going to just go back real quick, and I really like this eraser function thing. So I'm going to do that a little bit better and make it show that the ed really show right here landed too. Oops. I wish you guys were with me so you could have said, Miss Lee, you missed that one. Really show that this was in the past. Okay. Well, now we've already done present, we've already done past. You know what's coming next, right? It's in the future. So tomorrow, oh, ding, 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 my class will learn. Okay, so that definitely is the future. How animals survive in Antarctica. We will study penguins and whales. Okay, so that also is in the future tense right there. Easy peasy. I know you guys got this. It seems like you already know this stuff, which, because you do, this just might be the first time that you really said, oh, I know verb tense. It's past, present, and future. And so that's why we're just putting the words to it. So this is going to be super quick lesson. Yesterday, I watched a show about penguins. Right now, the penguins, the choices are hunt, hunted, will hunt. Right now, the penguins hunt for fish in the water. And next month, the water turned, or will turn. Well, since it's next month, it will turn to ice. Easy, easy, easy. I know that you guys can do this. Usually so that you know that when it's past tense, most verbs you kind of add an ed. If it's going to be future, most verb, you put the will in front of it. I will go, right? I will hunt, I will watch, I will play. Now that we've reviewed all that, it's time for your student skills practice book, lesson 15, page 43 and through 45. And that's it.